5 tasks every photographer should automate. Number 1 is resizing your photographs for different social media sites. The best tool for automating this is the Social Media Toolkit plugin for Photoshop. This allows you to automatically convert your photographs to a variety of different aspect ratios based on what platforms you'll be cross-posting them to. Number 2 is watermarking your photographs. This is a highly repetitive process that simply does not need to be done manually. To automate this process, you'll first need to record an action in Photoshop where you apply your desired watermark. You can then run this action on entire folders of images using the batch feature. This allows you to watermark hundreds of images on autopilot, saving you lots of time over the long run. Number 3 is mock-up image creation. Doing this manually, one at a time, for hundreds of mock-up images can easily take you several hours. You can instead automate this process in Photoshop using the Batch Replace Smart Objects plugin. Simply specify the Photoshop document to use, the input folder of your photographs, and the output folder to save to. You can then click Run to completely automate the creation of all your required mockups. This plugin also allows you to set up multiple step operations. So if you need to create several different mockups for each of your photographs, you can set up a multiple step workflow that will iterate through each one of your mockup templates. If you spend a lot of your time creating mockup images, this plugin will be an absolute lifesaver. Number 4 is compressing your photographs to reduce the file size. This is another highly repetitive task that can be easily automated using the batch feature in Photoshop. If your original photos are way too large for web delivery, you can both resize and compress entire folders of images using the batch feature. Number 5 is social media posting to promote your photography online. Doing this manually each day is an enormous time suck. It also breaks your focus and puts you at risk of getting pulled into the sticky trap of social media doom scrolling. You can instead schedule and cross-post your content in bulk to a variety of different platforms using tools like Loomly or Hootsuite. By scheduling backlogs of content for weeks in advance, this allows you to stay more consistent with social media posting, while also freeing up large chunks of unbroken time to focus on higher payoff activities.